Right, so now I'm just going to make some risotto rice. But what I'm going to do is, first of all, I'm going to blanch the risotto rice for about 7 minutes. That's the risotto rice there. I've got some vegetable stock on here. It's I brought it to the boil. We've got about that much risotto rice there, which is roughly probably around 250 to 300 grams. I'm going to drop that in the rice, in the water, veg stock. And I'm just going to blanch the risotto rice for about 7 minutes or so. And then we'll come back. Okay, so my risotto rice has been on the simmering away for about, that's about 7 minutes now. Now it's about half cooked, so now I'm going to take it off and I'm going to put it under some cold water to cool it down. Ready to use later on. And we've got in a colander, so we've got a lovely little colander here. Put the rice in the colander. And I'm going to tip the rice back in the pan and then add the cold water into the pan. And just get that slightly cooled off. Okay. Now, right, so that's the, okay. So we've got the risotto rice that I've half cooked. I just cooled it down under a little bit of cold water. Now I'm just going to finish off cooling in the fridge. So that's the blanched risotto rice.